guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be about what the title says. I'm going to be cleaning off my makeup. I'm going to show you one of the routines that I do to clean off my makeup. So yeah, let's get started. And if you're new here, thank you for being here, and if you've been here, thank you for staying. Share me on social medias, appreciate it. My links will be in the description box below. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. You might hear my daughter in the background playing a video game, but yeah. So the first thing I do is I am going to go in with Pharmacy Green Clean Pharmacy, and it melts off your makeup. This is so good. I have a big one also, and it's the cherry one, but this one is the Green Clean. This is how it looks on the inside. You rub it on your face, all over your makeup, and it just melts it away. It's so good.
It's nighttime. Oh, look at Tigger. You see Tigger?
I'm busy. He's laying down here, right? Leave him alone. I know my videos sometimes be all over the place. I go from doing vlogs to mukbangs to makeup tutorials to whatever. And that's because I am a mom and we know how to multitask. Go ahead, Karen. So this is what we do. What moms do. Single moms at that. Okay, now I'm going to wash this stuff off and I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished washing the Green Clean off my face. It's a makeup melt-away cleansing balm with an enhanced like your face and everything. So it's very good. It feels very clean. The next thing I am going to do, because this was only to melt off the makeup, so you're going to also still need to wash your face, because I don't break out at all. If I do break out, it will be from maybe the time of the month, but that's about it. My skin doesn't break out. I am 41 years old. Well, I will be 41 November 18, and I look younger the way my age is. And that's because I always took care of my skin since I was a teenager. And next thing I'm going to go in with is the Kylie Skin Foam. I love Kylie Jenner's stuff. It comes out in a foam like that. And I am going to wash my face with this after I did the makeup melt away. I'm also going to clean my face again with this. This cleans your face. The makeup melts away, just melts away the makeup. It also cleans your face, but it's mainly to melt away makeup, so that's why I go in again to clean my face with a face wash. And this is one of the things that I use. If you want to see other stuff that I use for my face, go to my other videos on this channel and you will see what I do. I love to rub under the eye like this because I have dark circles. I love to get under the neck. And rub it all in. If you want to see the makeup that I did, that I just washed off, that makeup, go sign on to Bigo Live. Bigo Live has my video that I just did just now. the makeup that I just did just now. They have that on there. So go to Bigo Live, and my Bigo Live name is the same name that I use on my Instagram. If you have my Instagram, okay, Bigo Live. I will put the link in Bigo Live in this video in the description box. I'm going to wash this off. Be right back. Okay, I washed the Kylie Skin foaming face wash off, and now I am going to use what y'all most likely seen before if y'all watch my videos, that I use the QMS intensive eye care day and night eye cream for under my eyes. And I just rub that in. I like to go over the lid also. There's so much noise outside in the background with them fixing things or whatever they're doing out there. This eye cream feels so good. Yeah, go ahead. This ice cream. She asks me about icy, and I just came out of nowhere and said ice cream on the video. Yeah, go ahead. I'm dead. That's so funny. The life of a mom. Okay, that's set in. And then now I am going to go in with the Caprice. Once again, if you watch my other videos, you will see that I use this on my face a lot. I got it from BoxyCharm. If you saw my other BoxyCharm videos, you would know. I need more of this stuff. This is like creamy gold for the face. It's so good. Rub it in. Rub it all over. I am going to be uploading a mukbang video today. I have not done mukbang in so long. I think my last mukbang video was, I think it was in Atlanta, I believe. I believe my last mukbang video was in Atlanta. I'm gonna post one today, and it's gonna be about, how nice. It's gonna be about dumplings, so look out for that. And I'll be posting it soon. Okay, so this is it. This is the clean face that I do a lot every day. Every single day, wash your face, clean your face, no joke. Even do like a sleeping mask. It's like a lotion, but it's called sleeping mask. Wash your face at night, put the sleeping mask on, sleep with it. Rub it on your face, sleep with it. And then in the morning, wash your face again, then use an antioxidant dew or a moisturizer. Keep your face looking clean. Seriously. But anyway, yeah, don't forget to check out my other videos. If you're new here, once again, thank you for watching. I will leave my links tree in the description box below. And thank you for being here, my YouTube family. And also, I will be starting something I said before in my other videos. I'll be starting selling lashes soon. So I'll be giving out 2 free gifts inside of the lash package. So when you purchase the lashes, you'll get 2 free gifts. So thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much, my YouTube family, and stay blessed.